Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. The Indian Railway is the world's third largest network and transports 18 million people daily to their destinations. Every day, almost 16,000 trains pass through railway tracks. With such a large volume of movement, train collisions are inevitable. According to train accident records, derailments and railway crossings are the major causes of accidents. Until recently, most railway crossings were open and many incidents were attributed to human error. Indian Railways do not invest sufficiently towards ensuring safety. Therefore, the annual accident rate is 300, which is extremely high and requires immediate care. Although derailment and collisions have decreased considerably, human error and fire continue to be hazard. Although the Indian Railway has a disaster management plan to deal with rail catastrophes in all phases, including before, during, and after the disaster, railway safety is a result of all these factors working simultaneously. Train accidents can result in catastrophic loss of human life or injury, damage to railway property, or disruptions in rail traffic exceeding established threshold levels and values. The growing population results in an increased demand in trains and the frequency of existing trains, which results in an imbalanced increase in rail traffic over several years, placing immense pressure on rail tracks and exceeding the safe limit. Accidents have highlighted weaknesses in the Indian Railways, with reports indicating that in the last decade, train derailment was the major cause of train accidents in India. According to a report published to the Lok Sabha by the Standing Committee on Railways in December 2016, derailments were the primary cause of train accidents in India from 2003 to 2016, killing 511 people. The most common cause of train accidents appear to be derailment. However, the Railway Ministries 2015 and 2016 show other derailments in 2014. According to the 2016 report, the number of derailments in 2015 was higher than in 2014. The highlights another concern of disparity in government records. Although human error is listed as the major cause of these incidents in the reports, there is disagreement over the number of instances the error resulted in catastrophe. Failures on the part of railway crew were the primary cause of these incidents. According to First Post, most incidents involved negligence, shortcuts, and a disregard for safety laws and procedures. Traveling by train has associated risks. We will try to learn about some deadly railway mishaps. Train accidents have resulted in many deaths in India. These mishaps are not only unlucky but also distressing. Minimizing accidents is critical because the Railway Department of India faces a challenge as rail transportation is one of India's most critical modes of transportation and should be safe. The Bihar accident of 1981 tops the charts with a death toll ranging 500 to 800. On 6th June 1981, near Saharsa, Bihar, a passenger train derailed and sank in the Bagmati River. Casualties amounted to over 800 people. It was one of India's and the world's most dangerous train accidents. According to some news outlets, a hurricane caused the catastrophe, while others claim the cause was flash flooding. The train plunged into the river. On August 20, 1995, the Purushottam Express, which runs between Delhi and Kanpur, collided with the stationary Kalindi Express near Firozabad, Uttar Pradesh, killing approximately 360 passengers on both trains. Some news outlets blamed the occurrence on a human error. After the Kalindi Express collided with an animal, its brakes were blocked and the train came to a halt on the track. The Purushottam Express was permitted to use the same track. The disaster was caused by the Purushottam Express colliding with the Kalindi Express from behind. The death toll was 358. On 2nd June 2023, 3 trains collided in Balasore district in Odisha, in which 296 people were killed in the crash and more than 1,200 were injured. Besides, in the first half of 2024, 7 major accidents occurred on the Indian Railways, including 4 derailments. However, a number of initiatives have started by the government to reduce train accidents. Some of them are as follows. The Rashtriya Rail Sanraksha Kosh was launched in 2017-18 with rupees 1 lakh crore corpus for 5 years and an annual outlay of rupees 20,000 crore for replacement, renewal and upgrade of critical safety assets. Security Helpline 182 on Indian Railways provides security-related assistance to passengers in distress. CCTV cameras are installed at approximately 394 stations across Indian Railways to maintain safety. And the most important, Kavach system started by the government. It is an automatic train protection ATP system indigenously developed by Indian Railways through research, designs and standards organization. Kavach operates by automatically applying brakes to trains if the driver does not respond promptly. It uses RFID radio frequency identification tags placed along tracks and in station yards to determine track positions and train directions. This is the best initiative taken by the government, but it has not been installed all over the country. So, government should take steps to install this system throughout the country as soon as possible. Stop.